Welcome to the Flavor Breakdown, the place where food science gets explained simply. Crunchy vegetables turn soft and tender when you boil them. But what exactly is happening inside those plant cells? Today we're breaking down how heat, water, and weakened cell walls transform firm vegetables into tender bites. From melting pectin to swelling starches, boiling unlocks textures your fork can't get from raw produce alone. Raw carrots, broccoli, and potatoes are firm and crisp, but after a few minutes in boiling water, they soften dramatically and become easier to chew. Vegetables soften because heat breaks down pectin, the natural glue that holds plant cells together. As pectin dissolves, the cells loosen and the structure weakens. Boiling also disrupts cellulose and hemicellulose in the cell walls, making them more flexible. Once the walls weaken, water moves into the cells, plumping them and softening the tissue. In starchy vegetables like potatoes, the heat causes starch granules to absorb water and swell, turning the interior creamy. Adding salt to your boiling water helps vegetables keep their color and seasons them from the inside out. Alkaline water, like when you add baking soda, breaks down pectin extremely fast, which is why beans can turn mushy in minutes. Like and subscribe for more food explained simply on The Flavor Breakdown.